नमस्कार, मेरा नाम जीकर सुमरा है। मैं गुजरात से राजकोट जिला का जेतपुर गांव से रहने वाला हूँ। मेरी बेटी इनायती 4 साल की उम्र है। जन्म से उसका तकलीफ था, उसको इची का प्रॉब्लम था और उसका वेट नहीं बढ़ रहा था और उसको खुजली बहुत आती थी। उसको ब्लड चढ़ाना पड़ता था। जब हम अहमदाबाद में दिखाने के लिए गए तब वो एक बच्ची 8 महीने की थी। 8 महीने की थी तब वो हमने डॉक्टर को दिखाया। डॉक्टर बोले कि उसका रिपोर्ट किया, उसका लीवर फंक्शन टेस्ट किया, उसका लीवर उसका डैमेज है ऐसे बता रहे थे। फिर डॉक्टर ने हमको कस्टडिंग में बताया कि आप एक बार मुंबई जाओ और मुंबई नारायण हेल्थ में डॉक्टर ललित वर्मा है, उसको कस्टडिंग कीजिए। फिर हम डॉक्टर ललित वर्मा से 4 महीने पहले मिले थे।
Hi, my name is Dr. Lalit Verma. I'm a pediatric liver transplant specialist on the medical side, I would say. We have done a first transplant patient who's Inaya Sumra. She's a 4-year-old with PFIC, which is progressive familial intrahepatic cholestasis, and the subtype is type 3, where there is a lot of icterus, means jaundice, a lot of itching, scratching, poor weight gain, and failure to thrive. Once they arrived here in Mumbai at SRCC, we gave a complete test. It's a kind of battery of tests, and we figured out that this patient definitely needs a transplant.
उसका लीवर ट्रांसप्लांट के लिए एक डोनर चाहिए, तो इसका डोनर के लिए उसका ब्लड ग्रुप मैच हो जाएगा तो भी वो डोनर चलता है इस पे। इसीलिए उसका मम्मी का ब्लड ग्रुप मैच हो रहा था। उसका मम्मी रेडी हो गया।
Parents are so wise and nice that mom came forward and she decided to lose some weight and give a part of her liver, which is only left side, a small portion, 20%, which Dr. Rajiv is going to talk about it. I'm glad that the surgery is done. She's post-op or post-transplant 1 month. She's doing very well, happy with her progress. She's gained almost 700 grams since she was discharged. There is no jaundice and they're ready to be back home.
उसका 1 महीने का पहले लीवर ट्रांसप्लांट हो गया, जो अभी आज वो 4 साल की हो गई है। तो उसका भी तबियत बहुत अच्छा है और इनाया हंसी खुशी, अब उसका वजन भी बढ़ रहा है, उसको खुजली का प्रॉब्लम वो निकल गया है और उसका ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूज भी नहीं करना पड़ता है और उसका मम्मी का भी तबियत एकदम अच्छा सा हो गया है। और अभी डॉक्टर इन लोग को 2 टाइम एक्सरसाइज करवाते हैं, उसको अच्छा हो जाएगा। अभी 3 महीना में वो नॉर्मल हो जाएगा। उसका मम्मी को 7 दिन में ही नॉर्मल हो गई है। शुक्रिया नारायण हेल्थ का और शुक्रिया डॉक्टर ललित वर्मा का। Thank you.
I'm glad to announce that we have started with the pediatric liver transplant program here at Narayana Hospital, a branch of it is SRCC Mumbai. It's a dedicated pediatric liver transplant program. Now this requires a lot of team effort, so we have an entire team. We have a team of 8 transplant surgeons, a big ICU in place, and a lot of nursing staff who are very well trained in the transplant. Moving forward, of course, we are going to see them every 1 month to begin with. Make sure that the immunosuppressant which we are to give for lifelong is in place, and we keep monitoring certain blood titers or blood levels with our colleague back in their local area. So the thing is, they need not come here every time. We have been doing it for past decade almost, that we just tie up with one of the pediatricians in the local area. We just talk to them if they don't belong to Mumbai. Ideally, they just stay here for 1 month. If everything goes fine, then we send them back to their hometown. And the pediatrician, the one who's taking care of this child, gives us a call and we coordinate with them. So I'm glad that this has happened in Mumbai, in the Western India, which has long been pending, and we have the whole team in place and looking forward to help others in the same kind of disease scenario. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Dr. Rajiv Sinha, liver transplant surgeon. Pediatric transplant is probably one of the niche specialties, and this transplant option is limited at very few centers across India. We are a dedicated team of 25-30 individuals specialized in pediatric liver transplant, and this is probably the only center across India which offers exclusive pediatric liver transplant. We deal with all kinds of diseases which require liver transplant. There are 2 very important things which I would like to tell you all. One is the success. A lot of people ask what is the success after a transplant, whether the child will be able to live the normal life and will they be able to do every other thing which an individual can do. So definitely as far as the success is concerned, it's a very successful procedure. and almost with a success rate of 98 to 99% if they are referred at the right time. We as a center, we are at par with all the other Western centers and the Eastern centers, and we offer the same success rate. Other thing, the cost of the transplant, that is the important thing which I would like to emphasize. We have a huge network of donors and trustees, and there are a lot of finance support which we provide to the patients. So one thing is for sure that any children cannot be denied a transplant for the lack of the financial resources. Only thing we look as a team whether they would be able to sustain the finances after the transplant. The cost of the transplant and the pre-op and the post-op care we will take care. We just need to make sure that whether in the long run, because these children will need medications for their life and they will need a minimum amount of money to spend on that for the rest of their lives. So that is the only thing which we look into, how good their family and social structure is. So I'm very happy to share that our first patient, Inaya, we transplanted last month, and mother was the donor. She donated around 20% of her liver. She recovered in a week, and she was in the ICU for a day, and then she was discharged around 5th day post-op. Inaya was in the ICU for around a week, and then again in the ward for a week, and she was discharged at 2 weeks, and both of them are doing fine and they are ready to go back to their native at Gujarat. I am extremely happy, and we as a team are looking forward towards sharing many such beautiful stories in the future. Thank you.